ain't got a lot of battery, but and I didn't record the beginning of what I got going on right now. But I got Duty Man with me. We had to come down here, man, and handle some business. We're going back home. I got my, let me see if I can reach it. What I do with it? Oh, there it go. I got my BP Automotive box with me. Y'all see that? Got that old BP Automotive box. Yes, we're going back home. And I got this old AC line, man. Look at that. Got my AC line fitted for my transducer. So now we're about to go ahead, go back to the house, put this line on. I'm gonna have to get me a, I think I'm gonna just order me an orifice tube. Well, I ain't gonna order it. I think I'm just stop by a power store and get me an orifice tube, because I gotta get some other stuff anyway. So put the line back on, put my orifice tube in, and yeah, we're gonna do it like that. Getting stuff done, man. Getting stuff done. Gotta have that AC this year. Cannot be riding in the heat. We ain't riding in no heat this year. So I got the fan. Matter of fact, I need to show y'all how I routed it. But I got the hey man, be quiet, man. I'm trying to record. You talking over me. You been quiet the whole time we've been in the car. And as soon as I pick the camera up, you activate. I'm just trying to understand. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go and show y'all how I got that routed. I got the fan, the dual fan relays. I got the AC stuff. So man, it shouldn't be nothing to. I got some other stuff that that's going on the car, but I ain't ready to show y'all that shit. Yeah, go home, show y'all how I got this routed with this 418. Go home, show y'all how I got this routed, and yeah, all that good stuff right there. And then I don't know how this video gonna go. So put the line back on, put the orifice tube back on, and whatever. But yeah, let me go ahead and get down this highway, man. It's heavy traffic at 4 o'clock. I don't know why, but it is. And I'll catch y'all when I get to the house. Man. So let me turn this light on. Come on, can you see? Turn the other light on. I ain't got up 27% on my camera. But I got my AC line back. I was supposed to win and got the watch car, but I didn't. I might go later to get the orifice tube, throw it up in there. And I kept it out, put some little paper in there so it won't get no trash in there that fast. But I know that was fast, but I ain't taking no chance. So but yeah, so I'm gonna put the line back on. Y'all see my transducer is on there. Transducer switch, pressure transducer. Let me throw this jump back on right fast and then plug that in, and then I need to tighten it down. I ain't got my stuff here. I'm gonna go get that wrench from out the car, but tighten it down, and yeah. Put that back on. The crazy part is, I just had to kind of move my drive bracket, because when he put the wash coil on, it was hitting the drive. It was hitting the dry, man. But we got it. We got it figured out. Cause the dry ain't gonna get hot. It ain't gonna melt the line. It ain't gonna do none of that. So it's cool sitting right there where it's sitting. You know what I'm saying? Move the dry back a little bit. It's all good. Just bent this little bracket right here. It's all good. But it's sitting in there. Hey man, come summertime, man, we're gonna be riding AC. We're gonna be all good. I got my wrench right here. I'm tripping. Tighten that boy down. Tighten that boy down. Uh-oh. I can't get to it. Well, I'll probably better do it once I get this battery out. Tighten it. Hand tightening right now. Yeah, I can't do too much right now, but yeah. Yeah, I can't do too much. Is that a mosquito on it? Nope, I can't do too much. But anyway, y'all get the gist of it, man. Got this line put back. I gotta take this line here off to put my orifice tube in. And yeah. We're gonna move on over with that situation. Still gotta get a AC bracket. But yeah, man, we're getting closer and closer to the pulls of what we need to be doing. I don't know if I showed y'all this, but this right here is the this is the fans right here. I don't know why my camera just cut off. And I got it routed through here, up through there, all the way across over to there. I got the fan relay box sitting over there, and then here are my fan plugs. Fan plugs right there, and with the pigtails I put in. Yeah. So we've been doing a little work, man. We've been doing a little work. So I got some other stuff coming that's hopefully gonna eliminate this, and we'll be all good at that point. It'll look better in here. It'll look way better in here. But yeah, so that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get on about this video, or get about this segment of the video. Y'all seen that AC line put in, AC the welding plug put into the bone, put another plug, put in the bone, all that good stuff right there. Got that out the way. Wire placement, got that out the way. I gotta put some zip ties in and all that good stuff right there. But yeah. So if I don't see y'all in another video, if I don't catch y'all in another video, holler at y'all in the next one. Like they clean the parking lot. I know y'all can't see me, but boy, this is the first day back to the gym, man. First day back. I hope like hell we don't give up this time. But boy, it be over with. Man, when I said be over with, man, it be over with. Like we'll do this shit, then we'll stop. We'll do it, we'll stop. It was a good first workout back though. We went there and like it was like crunch time type, so we had to really just knock a whole lot of stuff out. It was like 12 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, it is like 12 in the morning. We had to hurry up and sneak out while the kids were asleep to come to the gym. But we got it in though. We got it in, so it's all good. We could have laid our lazy butts in the bed and not done nothing. So I think that first workout was light. It was light. It was kind of spur of the moment. So, but it was safe. It was. I mean, I ain't gonna say it was safe. It was effective though. What don't you think? It was effective. Like everything we did, we felt it. So, yeah. So now we headed back to the crib. Tomorrow will be day 2. We worked the upper body today. So tomorrow.
Dang, we come back tomorrow?
Yeah. So tomorrow.
Thought we were gonna skip a day. Come back and do skip a day like.
Nope, we ain't skip no. Cause we ain't working Sunday. We ain't working Sundays at all.
Saturday either.
You don't work Saturday? Huh?
Just depending on what's going on.
Well, I ain't got nothing to do Saturday. The girls not coming this week. So yeah. That's where we at, man. Leg day tomorrow. Now that's gonna be funny. I'll make sure we record
Definitely
that.
gotta go get me some muscle relaxers.
I'll see y'all in a minute, man. Day 2. Yeah, I know they finna have that copyright on, so. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Gang has its own perks and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. out of here. Just like that. Day 2 down. Straight. You straight?
Yeah, no, I'm walking like a scarecrow. Shoot.
I ain't gonna start cramping up again. I ain't gonna start cramping up again till I sit down. Then I'm gonna start cramping up again. Like, I don't know what's open tonight to eat.
Neither one of us got no damn cards or no shit, no way.
No who?
No cards, no nothing on the.
What you mean? I gotta keep my cards on me.
Oh, you got your cards?
Yeah.
I got my purse at the house.
I keep my cards on me.
Ooh-wee. Somebody cut the arm.
You got the keys. Lord have mercy. Jesus Christ. Yeah. But yeah, man. We knocked down day 2. It's over with. We got them legs in today, boy. It's gonna be, boy, we finna be hurt. But it's all good, man. We 2 days in, man. To bettering ourselves, bettering, you know what I'm saying, on a healthy loop. So, yeah. Yeah, I got 2 gym videos and y'all got a car video. So, with that being said, man, I'm finna close this junk here out. It's over with. It's dead. Go to the house, hop in the shower, go to bed. That's it. Dog, man, big Belo, Mr. I ain't mind himself. Fist bump.
Who is that?
Chest bump. Yeah, man, we gonna catch y'all in the next one, dog. Gotta figure out what we gonna eat though. Alright.